Good morning. Welcome to Sojourner Vision. This is Russell. It is Wednesday morning. This is our active rest day. So we're taking a slight break from weights, even though the weights we're doing is a break anyway. But today we have a stretch routine. They articulate your spine. It's 6 Pilates moves that focus on both spinal and abdominal work. So just a short routine just to get the body going this morning. So we're gonna hit that and then we'll head out on a walk. I'm kind of wondering whether I'm just gonna walk or if I'm gonna walk jog. Kind of feeling like walking this morning, but we'll see. Maybe I'll step it up this morning and hit the pavement and get my quarter mile in and decide to go ahead and jog. That's typically how it happens. So anyway, we're gonna hit this articulate your spine and get this longevity training done. So let's hit it. Well, that does it for Wednesday. So we've got the Wednesday active rest day in the books. So yeah, the articulate your spine, that did good. Always get a good hamstring and lower back stretch out of that. As far as focusing on the spinal articulation, I don't think I focused on that too much as just getting a good stretch. Felt good to get the whole leg stretched out in the lower back. So anyway, got that done. Did do a walk jog, couldn't stand it. So it's becoming I wouldn't say less intense. I'm able to push it a little faster. For the full thing, there's 4 walk stretches. 3 of them are full quarter mile and 1 of them's about a 1/16 of a mile, 0.16. And then I do 3 quarter mile jogs, and the whole thing turns out to be about a 12 minute, 40-second pace. So if I can continue working on reducing that number, that'll be good for me. So I hadn't paid attention to what my pace is for the the quarter miles that I do. I think they might get down either to the high, I've seen them in the high 4s before when I looked at them last week, and the low 5s. So anyway, it's not like it's fast, but it's good for me. Good for me, it's just a jog. So, but it's feeling good. Yeah, get done with that and I feel like I got a good respiratory workout. So feels good to get the old lungs going and the heart beating. So anyway, we're gonna let you guys go. I'm gonna get in and get the thing started, get the day going, and we will see y'all tomorrow. So I'm not sure if tomorrow will be back day or shoulder day, but either one, we'll be at it. So okay, you guys take care. Get some longevity training in so you can meet age with grace, folks. This is Sojourner Vision. We'll see you later. Take care.